Hi everyone, welcome back to Excel Magic in Action. Today I'm going to show you how to create a complete aging analysis report from scratch using simple Excel formulas. This is a super useful skill for anyone in finance or accounting, so let's get started. So what is an aging analysis? It's a way to track and categorize outstanding invoices based on how long they've been unpaid. This helps us understand which payments are overdue and need attention. Typically, we sort them into four main buckets: invoices due within 30 days, those between 31 and 60 days, then 61 to 90 days, and finally, anything over 90 days. Here on my screen, I have a sample data set. We have columns for company name, invoice date, the invoice amount, and then we'll calculate days outstanding and fill in our four aging buckets: within 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, and 91 plus. First things first, let's calculate how many days each invoice has been outstanding. The formula for this is simply today's date minus the invoice date. So in the days outstanding column, we'll type equal today, open bracket, close bracket, minus, and then select the cell with the invoice date, which is B5 for our first row. Press enter, and you see the number of days. Now just drag this formula down for all your invoices. Great, we now have the age for every single one. Now for the fun part, sorting these into our aging buckets. We'll use the IF function. For the within 30 column, we want to check if the invoice age is 30 days or less. The formula will be equal IF, open bracket, select the days outstanding cell D5, less than or equal to 30, comma, select the invoice amount in cell C5, comma, and then two double quotes to leave it blank if the condition isn't met. Close the bracket. Next, for the 31 to 60 day bucket. This requires a nested AND function. Type equal IF, open bracket, and open bracket. Our conditions are D5 greater than 30, comma, D5 less than or equal to 60. Close the A&D bracket, comma, C5, comma, double quotes, double quotes. Close the main if bracket. We'll do something very similar for the 61 to 90 day bucket. The formula is equal IF, open bracket, and open bracket, D5 greater than 60, comma, D5 less than or equal to 90. Close the A&D bracket, comma, C5, comma, double quotes, double quotes. Close the IF bracket. Finally, for the 91 plus days category, it's a simple IF function again. Type equal IF, open bracket, D5 greater than 90, comma, C5, comma, double quotes, close the bracket. Now, select all four formula cells you just created for the first row and drag them all down to apply them to your entire list of invoices. And just like that, every single invoice amount is automatically placed into its correct aging bucket. Look at that. It makes financial analysis and collections follow up so much clearer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to Excel Magic in Action for more amazing tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.